Morning everyone, we're Team 6 and the company we've created is called Project GreenGrow. Next please. So here are our members and our roles. I'm Christian Jackson as the founder and we have...
I am Aaron Usher-Gomez and I am the CEO of this company.
Hi, I am Aaron Faulkner Jimenez and I am the advertising manager.
Hi, I'm James Mondo as the developer.
Hi, and I am Hannah Mirna Amlaka, the accountant.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Perolio, the COO.
And I'm Leo Angela, the social media manager.
So let me introduce GreenGrow to you. And to do that, I have to go to the beginning. We were asked to find a social problem to address, and addressing that problem, we were asked to find a company that is profitable. So, what was the problem that we found? We chose food waste. The solution to that, composting, and the company we found to do that solution was GreenGrow. So, the problem, food waste. Approximately 1/3 of food produced in the world in 2011 was lost as waste. That has grown exponentially to today's world. It is a huge problem that affects every single nation, especially the third world ones. What is the solution to this problem? Well, one of the solutions, and the one we chose as our main technique, is composting. It's a natural process that we as a company have co-opted. What we do with this process is we convert the food waste into usable, affordable agricultural products such as compost or fertilizer, bone meal, etc. The company, GreenGrow. So, what do? As we told before, we seek to convert the food waste into fertilizer or compost, any products that can be sold for commerce. In doing this, we both address the social problem while also leaving room for profit, killing two birds with one stone, if you will. That's a lot of text, so let me boil it down into 3 words: affordable, renewable, and sustainable. Affordable for our customers, renewable because our raw material is food waste, and sustainable because our products are directly for the betterment of the environment. I will now have Stanley Parilla to talk about our products.
So for products, these are some examples of the products we sell. We have 5 types of products: compost, manure-based fertilizer, tablet fertilizer, pellet fertilizer, and liquid fertilizer, each having 3 different sizes, which means we have 15 available products in our website. Then, for product manufacturing, we have 3 major steps: sourcing, conversion, and delivery. Sourcing is when we gather the raw materials from our partners. Conversion is when we convert the said raw materials into our products. And then delivery is when we package and prepare our products to be delivered.
Now moving on to the design, initial prototype, and its issues. So first we'll move on to the initial iterations of our logos. So we had 2 different types of logos, which is made by me and which is made by Zane. And we decided to merge these logos together as it can be eye-pleasing for the user and it can be actually more modernized as well. Now we're also going to the final Figma, where the final Figma is used to show the ideation of the group. All of our group ideas are in there, and that we decided to make this into a reality in the following slides. Now we're going to move on to our first prototype, where we will see all of our ideation, all of our things that have been used in Figma and actually put into real life by using VS Code and XAMPP. However, there were many types of feedback where they didn't like the design and that it's not really modernized, not really eye-pleasing to the user, and that there's too much green going on. So what we decided to do is to change the entire format in our next main artifact and the features of it. So now we'll also talk about the color palette, where we use 3 different types of colors, 3 different types of greens, so it can actually be vibrant, and that also shows our branding of our logo, our branding of our entire brand as well, because green is relatively there for nature and for greenery as well, which is GreenGrow.
Hello, this is Enza Mundo presenting to you our main artifacts and features. For our artifacts, we use Visual Studio as our programming language, SAM as our data in table, Flickity as our carousel, Bootstrap as our layout and design, AwardSpace as our server, and Google Fonts as our fonts. The languages we use are PHP and HTML5. This is our homepage. It is where we introduce our customer on who we are and what we sell. And this is our store page. We promote our products. And this is about us, where you can learn more about us and know our team. And this is our contact us. Below this is where you can see get in touch, where you can send a message using our own service. We don't use any JS or any PHP. We just use our own mail. That's it. Thank you.
Now it's time for business strategy. Well, first question is, how will food waste be beneficial to GreenGrow? Well, there's 3 points for this. By using food waste, GreenGrow can 1. Reduce the number of food being wasted in landfills by reducing carbon emissions and limiting the greenhouse gas effect. Number 2, increase cost efficiency by using raw food waste as raw materials, as it gets delivered from our partners, and that it's essentially zero to minimal costs from the partners to us. So we have more profit margins in that aspect in our business. And number 3, by creating farming goods, we create many different types of fertilizers. And by using methods that leave a zero carbon footprint in environment, we actually help the environment even more. Now, second question, who is GreenGrow targeted to? Well, we have 3 main customer sectors, which is gardeners, farmers, and plant enthusiasts. So these are people who want to keep their plants healthy, keep their plants growing and alive, and make sure that they're all healthy and green. Now next, how will GreenGrow be strategized? So in the next slide, you will see our market analysis, which includes the key partners, key activities, customer segments, cost structure, which will be shown in the later slides. This is all called a business model canvas, which we use to plan our business. And then the next one is about our pricing strategy. Well, we have many different types of things. So we do cost analysis and market research. So we search through many different types of products online and through stores to see what's their pricing. And with that, we decided to mark down our prices so we can use something called price skimming or competitive pricing, so that we have a better advantage and a better leverage in our business, so that we can enter the business strategy and we can enter the market freely. And next, for our value proposition, is that GreenGrow offers many different types of things, and we value ourselves as a high company, as we are actually helping the environment using social responsibility in our aspects as well. So now, moving on to social marketing and advertising.
In terms of advertising, we have made multiple promotional pieces in order to convey our message of being all natural and eco-friendly, with these pieces being promotional videos, flyers, vouchers, and picture ads, with each piece of media being made sure to convey our message. In terms of actually making our promotional pieces, we have used a mix of Canva and Photoshop when making the flyers, vouchers, and picture ads. And for the videos, all of our videos were edited in Sony Vegas Pro 18 with a little help of FL Studio to make our own backing track in order to not get a copyright infringement. So here is an example of one of our promotional videos. Now that we have seen an example of one of our promotional videos, now we ask, how can we promote GreenGrow AE to our consumers? And to help answer that, we have Leo Develos.
Our objective is to reach and communicate to our target audience. So who is our target audience? As AJ Balactas mentioned earlier, we are looking for botanists, farmers, gardeners, florists, and etc. So we as a group members created 4 social media platforms, and I started a Facebook page. Second, the YouTube account created by AJ Jimenez, the Instagram created by Nicholas Farla, and lastly, our TikTok page created by Hannah Lakap. So here's our Facebook page, and I am the one handling the GreenGrow AE page. The question is, what contents do we have in order to reach our target audience? Our content is the brochures, flyers, promotional videos, and GIF. We as a team members posted in a news feed timeline. So engaging with our followers, so far we reached like 19 likes and 27 followers. On Instagram, we also have the same contents and also sharing our brochures in the story of the day. And we reached like 10 followers in this social media platform. On the YouTube, We have just one short video and promotional video, and we reached 30 subscribers with the help of our advertise manager. Most gratitude to AJ Jimenez. Lastly, on TikTok, we have only one promotional video, but unfortunately, we tried our best to promote GreenGrow in this social media platform. We understand that not much people use TikTok nowadays.
For sales, we sell to three major groups: retailers and wholesalers, agricultural companies, and individual orders. We distribute our products to retailers and wholesalers to help us distribute our products to customers who prefer shopping offline or may not have access to our website. Agriculture companies, we cater to larger companies with bulk purchases to help save money on both sides, and then individual orders are for people who want to order on our website. Then for partnerships, we have three types of partners that help GreenGrow thrive. For food waste, we collaborated with multiple organizations such as Hilton, PepsiCo, Jollibee, Burger King, and more to help us gather food waste. Then for distribution, as I previously mentioned, we offered our products to retail shops and wholesalers to help us distribute our products. Then for shipping, we collaborated with third-party companies to help us transfer our product from one place to another.
Hello everyone, I'm the head of finance. So basically, I handle all the finances in our company. So now I'll be showing you our financial statement. For our balance sheet, our current assets, our cash would be 50,000, our accounts receivable would be 10,000, our prepaid rent would be 5,500. Adding it all up, your total current assets would be 65,500. Now for the long-term assets, I have already allocated money for it. For our land, it costs 100,000. Buildings and improvements would cost 150,000. Furniture and fixtures would cost 25,000, and general equipments would cost 80,000. Now for our total long-term assets, it would be 330,000. Adding our total current assets and total long-term assets, our total assets would be 395,500. Now, for our income statement, our income increases by 10% per year. So this is only an estimated amount.